Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I built a side pantry, so keep watching to see how I transform this mess to this much nicer side storage unit. IKEA should really sponsor me at this point because I've used their bookcase for like 3 different DIY projects. But yeah, I bought this off IKEA and I assembled it as normal, and I'm actually using this bookcase upside down, so because of this I realised I could use what would normally be the bottom as an extra shelf on the top, so that's why I cut off this plank. And this is your reminder to always check your measurements, guys, because this bookcase should fit in this space, but because the cabinets are uneven against the actual wall, the bottom ended up being too tight, so always double check. So to solve this, I realised I didn't need the slot for the back piece, so I cut this off the best way I knew how without an electric saw, which gave me an extra centimetre of room, so the pantry could actually slide in and out with ease. And after using my drill to cut it off, I sanded it down, but as you can see my cutting method made the edges jagged, so my solution was to use leftover PVC L corners, and I hammered these in, which made them look so much better and clean, and also helped protect the walls from scratches. So now I have an extra centimetre of space, and this was originally 28 centimetres, but cutting it off made it 27. So next was to attach the wheels, and I firstly bought swivel caster wheels, which was a big mistake when working in such a tight space because they kept getting stuck. So I ended up removing these and used fixed caster wheels instead, which only go back and forth without turning. So next I just put everything back to see where I wanted things to actually go, and also to test that it fit in the space and could move back and forth with the items on it because some of them were quite heavy. And then I attached this large handle that I bought from Amazon to pull it out and push it back with ease. So I also had a minor issue as the bookcase was wobbling, so I got these cross braces from IKEA, which really helped keep them sturdy and supported upright. And that's it. This was actually a really quick project. Even with all the issues, it only took me about a day and a half, and it's just a really great way to make extra space. But as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.